What's going on, guys? Okay, so I received my catback exhaust, the R400, yesterday actually, so I'm gonna install it in my car today, and I will put some sound clips of how the SPF sounded and how the new R400 will sound. So got everything ready to put my car up, and we will begin. They look dope though. I got the car secured in jacks. Hopefully they hold. And I'll put a time lapse of the exchange. So this is the sound of the current exhaust that's on it. Bought from the dealership from Subaru. So I think they call the SPF exhaust. It just says STI on it. But here.
I'm into you, all them shadows you left me through. You've been so cruel, all I wanted to be with you. I'm into you, all them shadows you left me through. You've been so cruel, all I wanted to be with you. I'm into you, I treat you better. I'm into you, I don't deserve that. Why you broke my heart, girl? All I tried to be right there. I don't want it to fight, girl. So cry on me, so cry on me. Nah, don't play with my mind. Why don't you stay by my side? No, you don't play with my mind. I do deserve some more time. Conversation a bit with you, darling. Over DM, Insta, we're falling. So just don't let them to get in your head, girl. I'm into you, all them shadows you left me through. You've been so cruel, all I wanted to be with you. I'm into you, I treat you better. I'm into you, I don't deserve that. Why you broke my heart, girl? All I tried to be right there. I don't want it to fight, girl. So cry on me, so cry on me. Shut them up, all them bad energy, shut them up. Hey, shut them up, all them bad energy, shut them up. Hey, don't play with my mind. Why don't you stay by my side? No, you don't play with my mind. I do deserve some more time. So remember, best time remember. So remember, best time remember. I'm into you, all them shadows you left me through. You've been so cruel, all I wanted to be with you. I'm into you, I treat you better.